today let's start with chapter number 7, adaptation in plants. So let's study about the different types of plants according to their habitat, right? So earth is made up of 3 parts of water and 1 part of land. Rich variety of plants are found both on land and water, right? And we can see that these changes or characteristics which enables them to live in their environment, it is called their adaptation. Adaptation are developed according to the habitat of the organism. Plants are divided into two major groups on the basis of their habitat. First is terrestrial plant and aquatic plant. जो लैंड पे उगते हैं वो टेरेस्ट्रियल और जो वाटर में उगते हैं वो एक्वेटिक प्लांट्स लाइक वी हैव नीम ट्री, बैनिल ट्री, शीशम ट्री एंड योर पीपल. So terrestrial plants which grow on land, they grow on plains, on the plains of cold snowy mountains, marshy pale, hot dry desert. So plants that grow in plains have many branches and lush green spreading ground. They have thin lightweight leaves, सब sunlight capture करती है. इनके thick और strong trunk होते हैं जो उनको protect करती है from harsh winter. These trees shed their leaves throughout the year and keep growing new ones. इनको हम deciduous tree कहते हैं and they grow new leaves in the spring season. राइट जब स्प्रिंग सीजन आता है तो आप देखते हैं कि इन ट्रीज पे क्या होती है नई लीव्स आ जाए. सो प्लांट्स दैट ग्रो इन माउंटेन दे अडैप्ट देमसेल्फ टू हेवी स्नोफॉल एंड कूल कंडीशन. दे आर टॉल स्ट्रेट और इनका कॉनिकल क्राउन होता है. इनके टफ नीडल लाइक लीव्स होती है, वुडन फ्लावर्स होते हैं, इसको हम कोन्स कहते हैं. पाइन हो गया, सिडार, स्प्रूस एंड कोन्स, राइट. द एप्पल, वॉलनट एंड आलमंड ट्री ग्रोइंग इन हिली स्नोई एरियाज, दे हैव राउंड क्राउन्स और वो अपने लीव्स को शेड करते हैं विंटर सीजन. प्लांट्स जो डेजर्ट में ग्रो करते हैं, they adapt themselves to both hot and dry condition along with acute shortage of water. Plants have tiny leaves or spires जहाँ पे less evaporation होता है through stomata or hot sunny day. Cacti develop thorns to discourage animals from eating. They store water in their stems and the stem is green, thick and fleshy. ये क्या perform करता है? Photosynthesis. They have roots which spread out deep under the ground in search of water. Like we have cactus, acacia and date palm. Plants that grow in marshy area, the daldal वाला area होता है, they are highly moist and cling as city. The water cannot drain out from the clay soil, so the roots do not get air to breathe. They grow out from side to help the plants to breathe in waterlogged soil. इन्हें mangroves कहते हैं. And what type of roots they have? They have breathing roots, right? Like सुंदरवन. जो प्लांट्स आपके कोस्टल एरिया में होते हैं वो टॉल होते हैं, स्ट्रेट होते हैं विथ क्राउन ऑफ जे फेदर लाइक लीव्स, जो अलाउ करता है विंड टू पास थ्रू एंड दे सर्वाइव इन सॉल्टी वाटर एंड हेवी रेन. What are aquatic plants? These are the plants that grow in ponds, lakes, sea and your ocean. Basically there are 3 types. 6 plants जो फिक्स्ड होते हैं to the bed of pools like lotus, ठीक है, लाइट और हॉलो होते हैं. इनकी ब्रॉड लीव्स होती है जिससे वाटर फ्लोट करता है. राइट. स्टोमेटा इज प्रेजेंट ऑन द अपर सरफेस ऑफ द लीव्स जिससे वाटर एयर को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं. एंड द लीव्स हैव वैक्सी कोटिंग. इनकी थोड़ी वैक्सी कोटिंग होती है जो उन्हें ड्राई रखती है. एंड देयर फ्लेक्सिबल स्टेम, जो उनकी फ्लेक्सिबल स्टेम होती है वो बेंड करती है विद द करंट ऑफ वाटर, जो ब्रेकेज और डैमेज को क्या करती है? प्रिवेंट करती है. राइट. नाउ वी हैव अंडर वाटर प्लांट्स, दे आर वेल अडेप्टेड टू स्टे. और वो क्या करते हैं? वाटर के अंदर ये ब्रीथ करते हैं. राइट. Like we have narrow and long wings. So they do not have stomata to breathe. So they breathe through the body surface. Their roots are fixed in soil. And then we have floating plants like duckweed or water hyacinth. ठीक है, इनकी spongy और swollen bodies होती है. They are light in wet, flat, feel in ponds and lakes. इनकी जो roots होती है वो soil में fixed नहीं होती. Now some special plants like we have insectivorous, जिन्हें हम carnivorous भी कहते हैं. ये इंसेक्ट्स को खाते हैं, राइट. एंड दीज प्लांट्स ग्रो इन सॉइल विच इज पुअर इन मिनरल एंड दे फुलफिल देयर रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन. और किससे फुलफिल करते हैं? इंसेक्ट्स को खाकर. लाइक वी हैव पिक्चर प्लांट, वीनस फ्लाई ट्रैप, सनड्यू प्लांट. पैरासिटिक प्लांट ट्विन themselves around the stems of other plant and they suck water and mineral from them, right. इनका यूनिक एडेप्टेशन होता है. Now we have photosynthesis. Plants हमें क्या देते हैं? Wide variety of food. All plants' food is made from 3 simple things: water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. The process by which green plants use sunlight, water, carbon dioxide to make food, उसको हम photosynthesis कहते हैं. Chlorophyll, the green pigment which is present in the leaves, जो essential होता है, essential component है आपका photosynthesis का. right? The leaves are also known as kitchen of the plant or the food factory, because they gather three things: water from the soil, carbon dioxide from air, energy from sunlight. And water plus carbon dioxide, what it gives? Starch plus oxygen in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Oxygen is released as byproduct of photosynthesis. Transport system of plants send its starch to different parts for storage. Right? Now we have completed this chapter. Now let's start with the exercise. Tick the correct option. The soil in dash is waterlogged. Swampy. Next is trees on the dash are conical in shape. Mountains. It is a carnivorous plant, that is Venus flytrap. They depend on other plant for food, that is your parasitic one. Food factory, leaf होती है. Now fill in the blanks. Dash plants grow on land. Terrestrial. Dash trees set their leaves throughout the year. Deciduous. New leaves are grown in. कौन से सीजन में ग्रो होती है? स्प्रिंग. Plants thorns to discourage animals. Dash develops grow in ponds. Aquatic plant develops and growing. Now write T for true and F for false statement. Cotton and rice plants are found in hilly areas. False. No plants grow in hilly areas. False. Underwater plants are used in aquarium. It's true. No plants are found in deep water of the ocean. False. Insectivorous plant eat insects to get nutrition. It's true. Now name two plants which grow on mountains. Pine and spruce. Pine and spruce. Underwater, that is hydrilla. And watery. Next is in desert, cacti or date palm. आपका cactus. In swamp, marshy area में lotus. Now give reason, desert plants have spineless leaves. Why? Because ये क्या करती है? Water loss को reduce करती है. Next is mountains, they have woody flower. Why? Because here thick flowers forest has been formed. Roses have thorns, right? जो उनको किससे प्रोटेक्ट करता है? Animals से. Mangrove trees have breathing roots. Yes. Why? Because they are found in underwater. Now answer the following question. Why do plants show adaptation? ठीक है. Now describe. You have to describe the adaptation. I have told you about the desert plant adaptation. You can write 2 to 3 points. Why do some plants feed on insects? Because they need you get nutrients from it. What is photosynthesis? Process by which green plants make their food in the presence of air, water, and sunlight. Why does cactus grow in desert? Right? Because इनके thorns होते हैं जो water loss को क्या करते हैं? Prevent करते हैं. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Now we have completed it. Let's move to the next chapter. Right? We will meet in the next class. Thank you.